Google has upgraded that to 5x optical and 30x hybrid on the new Pixel 7 Pro, where the Pixel 6 Pro has a 4x optical zoom that can do 20x hybrid zoom. Another new feature of the camera is the cinematic mode, which basically blurs the background in video, keeping the subject in focus. It's available on both the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, and Google is calling it the cinematic blur. Google is also showing the phone will have macro focus that will use the telephoto lens as a macro lens. In terms of screen sizes, early leaks indicated that the Pixel May 7th have a marginally smaller 6.3-inch flat screen versus a 6.4-inch screen on the Pixel 6, which means that it will be more usable in one hand. Although it still won't be as small as the Pixel 6a, which has a 6.1-inch screen. The Pixel 7 Pro will come with a 6.7-inch curved display, and those screens could be the same used as on the Pixel 6 series, but the display curve in the Pro model is said to be a little bit less pronounced this time. According to the first hardware leads, though, the devices are set to measure in a 155.6 by 73.1 by 8.7 mm for the Pixel 7, and 163 by 76.6 by 8.7 mm for the Pixel 7 Pro. Pixel 7 will come with the 8-megapixel selfie shooter instead of 11-megapixel, but Pixel 7 Pro will come with the 11-megapixel selfie shooter. The main shooter on the both Pixel 7 and 7 Pro is 50-megapixel. But on the user guide, the 50-megapixel on the Pixel 7 Pro mentioned as 50-megapixel octa, instead of a 50-megapixel wide camera, which means we are going to get something interesting. The phones will sport a second-gen Tensor chip, Google's in-house silicon. The processor made its debut in the Pixel 6 series and allowed for new features in the camera system. That includes Magic Eraser, which removes unwanted objects from photos, and Real Tone, which portrays skin tones more accurately. The camera bar on the Pixel 7 will be made of recycled aluminum and feature black camera cutouts that stand out a little more. Google renders show the Pixel 7 Pro will also have a triple rear camera system just like the 6 Pro, and the standard Pixel 7 appears to have 2 rear cameras just like the Pixel 6. Google is bringing back the Face Unlock biometric option since the Pixel 7 lineup doesn't have separate Face ID sensors. It's possible that Google has improved the algorithms it uses for software-based face recognition, that they have decided to enable the biometric option on the new phones. Google is bringing Face Unlock back considering the fingerprint scanner on the Pixel 6 wasn't the best one out there. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. Peace out.